Hello everyone, Anis here. Today I just want to do a quick review of this program called the Ultimate Laptop Lifestyle, which is a program created by Jeff Lerner, who is a millionaire internet marketer. And when I first saw this program, I thought it was a scam because of the hype, $1,000 per day, and the fake scarcity. I thought it was a scam. And also I thought that it had some fake testimonials, but after having a closer look I realized it's actually legit. It's not a scam. However, the big problem with this program, and which is why a lot of newbies do not make money with this type of programs, and why they waste tons of money with this type of programs, is the fact is it's not for newbies. And also it's a high ticket opportunity where you have to invest massively. You need to invest up to $60,000 to $30,000 in order to be all in this program. So with that said, do not join this program if you're a newbie, and do not join this program if you don't have deep pockets, because this is going to cost you literally 5 to 6 figures. Okay, so the training is good, everything's good about it. I have nothing bad to say about it except the fact that it's not for newbies and it costs a leg and an arm. So do not waste your money if you're a newbie, because you will have to drive traffic for this to work. It's not that you're gonna buy it and then you're gonna profit. You need to buy traffic. You need to drive traffic to the offers. And if you have no experience, you will have a hard time making money and therefore wasting money. So with that said, if you want to learn more about this, more details, I recommend you to check out my review. And if you're interested in a legit opportunity that it's free to try and it does not cost a lot of money, I recommend you to check out Wealthy Affiliate. They have some amazing training. You can try it for free. You get 10 free lessons, 2 free websites. You can try absolutely for free, no credit card. You have absolutely nothing to lose. Just try it and see what you have been missing. This is a great opportunity. I also have a video walkthrough here about Wealthy Affiliate, and you can join absolutely free, no credit card to try. All information is inside this review. So I hope this quick review was kind of useful to you. If it was, please subscribe to my channel. I do scam reviews, so you never fall for a scam. Okay, so thanks for watching and peace out.